In this video, I will show you how to use YouTube Music Premium Bundle. First, launch open the YouTube Music app on your device. If you don't have this, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now log into your account, then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here, look for the option of Purchase and Memberships and verify whether you have Premium membership. If you don't, you're going to get the option of Get Music Premium. Go ahead and select that option. Now follow the on-screen prompts, complete the payment, and subscribe to YouTube Music Premium Bundle. Once your subscription is active, you can immediately start enjoying all the premium benefits, including ad-free listening, background playback, offline downloads, and high-quality audio depending on your plan. If you're part of family plan, make sure you have accepted the family invitation using the same Google account. Once you've joined the family group, your premium benefits will be available automatically. If you do not see your premium membership, confirm that you're signed in with the correct Google account and that your subscription is still active. You can also update YouTube Music app from Play Store or App Store if needed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.